Yep. All right, so today I wanted to talk about what exactly is happening whenever we pop the bones or pop the joints. A lot of people know that they come in and they get the joints popped, but what is happening with that and how does it affect the entire system? So anywhere that bone meets bone, there's fluid in between and then a capsule around it. That popping noise is just the stretching of that capsule. And if we look at the bones of the spine, they all stack up on top of each other, but bone meets bone on the right side and the left side, left side, all the way throughout. So there's a bunch of joints that could make that noise. Whenever we are doing the adjustment and that joint capsule is stretching, what we're really trying to do is regain normal motion and regain alignment. So if there is rotation and it's fixated here, we're working to bring things back to the center and regain normal motion. Whenever we're doing that, sometimes these joint capsules stretch and they pop. But a couple things play into that. Let's say I'm out of alignment. Normally, if I wasn't, I compress during the day. I lay down at night and I decompress. If the discs are like sponges and they can kind of press down and they should be able to retain fluid, if I am out of alignment and I'm stuck, I compress during the day still. But if I lay down, I don't decompress. And it happens further and further and further. It gets more and more dehydrated, which leads to degeneration. That's what disc degeneration is, dehydration. So we can have disc issues. But whenever we are trying to regain normal motion, we're also trying to get good spacing for the nerves to function. And if we look at the feeling versus function chart, this shows if we're looking at a nerve, a certain amount goes to sensory. So a certain amount goes to pain, and I can feel that something is not right. But out of that entire nerve, actually a high percentage goes to motor control. So a high percentage goes to function. That's even more important than just feeling and sensation. Aside from that, we actually have a lot of the nerve go to autonomic nerves, meaning organ function. So we'll have somebody that comes in and they're out of alignment in their lower back and I can feel they're locked up, and as we're going to work forward trying to get them out of pain, I'll also during consult ask them if they've had any gut issues, because the nerves that come out here run to the bowel and bladder. So we'll have patients that have dealt with constipation or diarrhea, stuff like that. That's literally just from the joints being out of alignment. So whenever we are popping the joints, the core of all we're really trying to do is regain normal alignment, normal function, so the discs can stay good, so we can get people out of pain, we can have normal function, but those nerves can work properly as well, and the system can run, because those nerves run everything. All right, if you have any questions, let us know. I'll shoot another video and try and answer it.